What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you new, my name is Mike. This is Driveway Dreams, and today I am going to take advantage. It is the day after Christmas and it is 70 degrees in St. Louis, so I'm going to take this opportunity to wash the car. It's looking pretty rough after taking it out to the family's houses for the holiday. Last week, I guess it was a week ago, we had 7 inches of snow here in St. Louis, and now it is 70 degrees the day after Christmas. So we're going to take advantage of the nice weather, wash the car. The reason for this is my wife this year for Christmas got me a power washer, and I have been seeing a lot of stuff on the internet about Chemical Guys products. So I went out today and bought their 7 essential products. So we're gonna give it a wash and see just exactly how good this stuff is, if we like it or not, and see if I recommend it or not. So we'll get this thing opened up, we'll see what's inside, and we'll go from there. All right, so let's get this opened up and see exactly what they consider the 7 essential products for washing your car. I am going to guess, for even opening this, that the bucket itself is going to be the first item that they consider. You open it up, you get the Chemical Guys fluffy microfiber wash mitt. You get Mr. Pink Super Sud shampoo, Silk Shine dressing. I'm going to go with this as for the interior as a new car scent, and then Diablo wheel cleaner for your tires and your rims. And then in the bottom of the bucket, it comes with this little divider, I guess, so all the dirt, the rocks, whatever, will get down here and get caught in here, so that way you don't continue to pick up stuff in your microfiber, so that way you don't scratch your car. So we'll get this stuff loaded in the foam cannon, we'll get it rinsed up, and we'll see just how good this stuff is. All right, the first thing on the list here, we're going to use this Diablo wheel cleaner. We're going to spray it on here and see just how good this stuff is. Give it a nice coating, and then we'll let it we'll get the rest of them and let this stuff sit for a minute, and then we'll come back and give it a little rub with a rag and see just how well this stuff works. Because these things are filthy. It's been a while since I've given these a proper wash, that's for sure. There we go. Alright, we have let this stuff sit on here for, I don't know, I guess it's been 4 or 5 minutes or so. So we'll go ahead and get our rag and see how, oh yeah. Initially, I'm saying it looks pretty good. This stuff's coming off pretty easily. Not having to put very much effort into it. So I'll go ahead and get the rest of these done, and then I'll show you the after whenever it's finished, because I mean, let's be honest, nobody wants to watch all this. So I'll get it done, and we'll show you the after. All right, the initial response of using the Diablo wheel cleaner is it worked really well. It was really easy to use. The longer it sat on there, the easier the stuff was coming off. So overall, the wheel and tire cleaner, I would definitely recommend it. Like I said, it worked really well. So first off was the wheel cleaner, and worked pretty good. So we'll get the foam cannon loaded up, and we'll see how well the soap works. All right, guys, got it all done, washed. Looking pretty good. I was kind of impressed. Stuff worked really well, getting all the bug remains and tar and all that kind of stuff off. Like I said, the wheel and tire cleaner worked really well. Didn't have any complaints with that. They look pretty good. One thing I did find out is whenever you want to find out what's going on with your car, just wash it, because somebody gave me a little love tap right there. I don't know if you can really see it on here. I got a lot of it off, but somebody definitely gave me a little touch there. So, but overall, I was really impressed with the stuff. It works really well. One thing that I was really surprised with, I had never used one of these microfiber mitts, and I was really surprised, man. I liked it a lot. It holds a lot of soap, a lot of material. You can really wash a lot of surface with that. But on the other hand, the problem with that is if something happens and you do catch a rock or anything in that, you could really do some damage before you even realize what is happening. So the one thing you will have to keep in mind when using one of these is make sure you dip it often to make sure you get all that debris out. But on the other hand, I did get done a lot quicker than I normally do. So upside to that was good. The car looks great. Now what I am curious to see is that little black grate on the bottom. How much stuff did that trap? I mean, the water underneath it is disgusting, so that's good. But if you look, I mean, there is a bunch of stuff in there. So see, down the bottom there is a lot of little debris in there. So I mean, it does work. So I guess they do know what they're talking about. So I guess that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this one. Although Christmas is over, the funds will be freed up, and I can finally get to do some of the stuff I've been wanting to do. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and remember, always chase your driveway dreams. And until next time, have a great day. And a little afterthought here. The one thing that I wish they would have added that they did not put in the kit of the 8 things that are essential to washing your car was a towel. You need a drying towel, get all the water spots off. That was not included. I did notice that when I bought it, so I did get one. But if you're gonna buy this product, make sure you buy a drying towel, because it does not come with one. So one downside, but overall, awesome product. Liked it a lot. So there we go.